Hey everyone, this is Mr. B for Lamborghini For Me, and we are at Lamborghini Paramus in New Jersey, where they have a fantastic Huracan that is up for sale. This particular model has reworked the concept of supercars and taken the notion of performance to levels never seen before in the Huracan lineage. We present to you the 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante Coupe and Grigio Lynx. The walk-around tour of this 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante Coupe and Grigio Lynx will be presented by Mr. Allen of Lamborghini Paramus. He will break it down into 4 parts. First will be the exterior, where Mr. Allen will show you the unique parts that are on this Huracan. Second will be the interior portion of the car. Third will be the performance. And last but not least, the price of this 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante Coupe during the recording of this video. Without further ado, we welcome you, Mr. Allen of Lamborghini Paramus, for the walk-around tour of the 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante and Grigio Lynx.
Hi guys, I'm Alan from Lamborghini Paramus. I'm here today with a 2018 Huracan Performante. This Performante is shown in a beautiful Grigio Lynx, and it has Rosso accents. The client that owned this car previously upgraded the wheels. These are 20 and 21 inch bronze finished Anarchy wheels. So the bronze finish on the wheels is meant to mimic the bronze finish on the intake manifold. One of the calling cards of the Huracan Performante is its exposed forged composites that are seen throughout the car. You can see it here in the rear diffuser, the wing. It's also located in the front spoiler. The forged composites are used to create a lightweight material to help in the ala system. Ala means wing in Italian. It is the active Lamborghini aerodynamics that Huracan Performante is equipped with. So again, on the interior, there are forged composites that are standard on this car. They're seen throughout on the air vents, the center console, shift paddles, and grab handles. This Performante is equipped with what are known as the comfort seats as opposed to the race buckets. The race buckets are a little uncomfortable. These are extremely comfortable yet still supportive. Also, it's got the Rosso Performante engraved trim, which is a really nice accent to the interior. This car has the optional cup holder, which will fit your espresso. So the Huracan Performante is equipped with 3 different driving modes, 3 unique driving modes. Strada means street, which is your calm, relaxed mode. The valves for the exhaust are closed. Suspension's a little bit more compliant, let's say. Steering's a little bit looser. We move to sport. The whole car changes its character. The all-wheel drive system bias changes. Whole car gets a little sportier. Corsa is race. Now in race, you can only use the paddles. You have to shift with the paddles. In Strada and Sport, you can drive automatically. So all Huracan Performantes are equipped with an all-wheel drive system. So this has that. It also has the naturally aspirated V10 motor. In this version, it's producing 640 horsepower. The current asking price for this Huracan Performante is $336,000. If you're interested in this car, please reach out to me, Alan Lambo. Thank you very much.
Hey everyone, so we are now finished with the walk-around tour of this 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante Coupe and Grigio Lynx. This particular Huracan model was designed with one thing in mind: to be the fastest. It's such an incredible machine to drive, and a personal favorite of ours after driving one on the track a few years back. Such great memories. We would like to give a special thanks to Mr. Allen for this walk-around tour and the rest of the Lamborghini Paramus team for allowing us to showcase this supercar for you all. We will pin the contact information to reach out to Mr. Allen to get a hold of this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Performante Coupe and add it in your garage. Hurry before it gets sold. Here at Lamborghini For Me, we aim to get you the Lamborghini of your dreams. Take care, everyone.